And here's I will show you how to turn on NFC and contactless payment on your Android phone. Go to your Android phone settings. In your settings, tap on connections. Under connections, here you will find NFC and contactless payment. To enable NFC and contactless payments, just toggle the switch on. And now in your phone settings, if you don't see the NFC and contactless payment here, then all you have to need, go to your settings, and in your settings app, tap on the search icon or search settings. In here, type NFC, and now here you should see NFC and contactless payment. Just open it, and now from here you can turn on NFC and contactless payment. Thanks for watching.